Every few weeks I see another post saying AI is going to replace humans, and honestly, I get it. I mean, look around. AI is everywhere right now. It's writing essays, making music, designing art, even coding full websites in seconds, and it's wild. It is powerful, it's fast, it's kind of scary sometimes. But here's something that I've been thinking about lately. What if all of this fear is based on the wrong assumptions? Because maybe AI isn't here to replace us at all. Maybe it's just showing us what being humans actually mean. So let's talk about that. Because yes, AI can create, but can it feel? AI can calculate, but can it care? AI can analyze data, but can it understand why that data even matters? That is the part people often forget. AI doesn't know why it's doing something. It's not sitting there thinking, I am proud of this, or this feels right. It's just following instructions. And I think that's where our strength really lies, in the things that can't be measured. Think about it. AI can write a song that sounds beautiful, but it doesn't know what heartbreak feels like. It can write a love letter, but it's never been in love. It can make art, but it's never had a childhood memory or a personal story behind it. Every human creation, every invention, every piece of music, every film comes from experiences, from joy, from pain, from loss, from hope. And you can't code that. You can't simulate it. That's why AI generated content feels kind of empty sometimes, if you've noticed. It's technically perfect, but emotionally it is flat because it doesn't have the life behind it. Don't get me wrong, AI is incredible. It's a tool, a very, very smart one. It can help us write faster, analyze better, and even make smarter decisions, but it is still our tool. Every piece of data it learns from came from a human. Every photo, every sentence, every piece of code created by us. AI is like a reflection of humanity, not a replacement for it. It's something like, imagine a mirror that gets smarter the more you look into it. It can show you your face in 1,000 different ways, but it's still your face. That is what AI is. It's a mirror of us, and mirrors don't replace what they reflect. Now, here's where it gets interesting in my opinion. A lot of people say, yeah, but AI is improving so fast that eventually it'll become conscious. You know what? I don't think so. I have a reason to explain why. Consciousness isn't just intelligence, it's awareness. It's being able to ask why something matters. You see, AI can understand language, but it doesn't feel meaning. When it writes a sad story, for example, it's not sad. When it writes a motivational speech, it doesn't feel inspired when writing it. It's like, imagine someone describing color without seeing it. They can explain the wavelengths, the science behind it, the words, but they'll never really be able to see blue the way we see blue color. That is AI. It knows about emotion, but it cannot express emotion. And that gap, that invisible space between knowing and feeling, that is where humanity lives. We connect through empathy, through laughter, those small unspoken things that happens when two human beings share a moment. And that is something that no machine, at least today, can fake. You can't program empathy. You can simulate it, sure, but you can't feel it. That's why I believe that the future would not be AI versus humans. Rather, it's going to be AI plus humans. And I firmly believe that the ones who thrive are those who learn how to use AI without losing their humanity. Because let's be honest, AI can do the heavy lifting. It can handle the logic, the math, the routine stuff, but the emotion, the storytelling, the creativity that comes from life experiences, that is still our domain. Even when it comes to innovation, what drives humans to create isn't just logic, it is curiosity. It's the tiny voice inside you that says, what if? You know, machines don't ask what if, they just execute what we tell them. Humans, on the other hand, we get curious. We experiment, we fail, we feel frustrated, and then inspired again. And that messy, emotional, beautiful process, that's how real progress happens. AI might help us get there faster, but we are still the ones who decide where we're going. So no, AI is not going to replace humans. is going to challenge us to become better humans. It's going to make us rethink what makes us us. And maybe that is the best part about all this. Because at the end of the day, AI might know everything, but only humans understand. If this video gave you a new way to look at AI, hit that like button and tell me in the comments section what's that one thing that you think AI will never be able to replace, because I have a feeling the list is still longer than we think. This was a different type of video that I made. If you're not subscribed and if you've reached this far, please do subscribe before leaving. Let me know in the comments section if you like this type of content so I can make more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.